Negative and positive reviews from people that aren't even your clients. What am I talking about? First of all, I'm talking about the new phenomenon whereby law offices can create traffic and leads from their countries and also from other countries and from all over the world. Our office, for example, today creates around 100 leads a day, and we can create even more, and we probably will as time goes by. In addition to that, we can create leads and traffic from other countries. And I want to give you an interesting example. Around 5 years ago, when we started uploading content in different languages, we started getting leads from other countries. And all of a sudden, we found out that we got some negative reviews from people in Spanish-speaking countries that aren't even our clients, only because they wrote to us in Spanish and we didn't respond to them because we didn't even know what they asked and we had no one to prepare these responses. Instead of crying over spilled milk, we decided to turn the situation around. And what we started doing is we started preparing automatic responses, and today through AI, it's much easier actually, and through the system that we developed, we do this automatically through AI in a smart way, whereby we actually respond to each lead very quickly and refer them to a relevant article and a relevant video we have on the subject matter that they contacted us, and in the end we ask for a positive review, and we even send them the link so they can leave the review quickly. So if you have a smart system that's connected to AI, you can respond to all the leads, even those that you don't want to schedule an appointment for because they don't have legal eligibility for you or financial profitability, and you can try to ask for a positive review and basically get free positive exposure, which is great publicity in the end of the day. And in addition, please note that in addition to the positive review, you also want them to leave 5 stars. Some people write a positive review but think that 5 stars are only if you're perfect. No, if they don't leave 5 stars and they leave, let's say, 4 stars, it can lower your stars. And some people, when they review you online and compare you to other offices with similar services, will choose an office with higher stars and won't necessarily even have time to read all the reviews. So when you ask for a positive review, also ask them to put 5 stars. I hope this tip was helpful, and stay with us for more.